Hi everyone. Revisionary exercise A part 2. You ought to be a different fellow when I leave if you will be influenced by me. I think I can give you a mile in 6 and beat you. I have had some talk with young Lord Robson several times in the past week, and he says you can do 5 miles an hour. Those who saw you last autumn and know what you can do all say the same thing. Thank you.